Good morning, students, and welcome to Ambuja Public School, Rabriawaz. I am your English teacher, Vinita Patel, ma'am. So let's welcome everyone to your English class. So, dear students, today I am going to teach you long sound words of vowel E. So let's see the long sound words of vowel E. B, E, E, B. B. We have to stretch the sound of letter E. Okay. P. E, A, E. We can say P. We have to mix the sound of E and A. Okay. P. Now let's move towards the next word. S. S. E. C. C. Now next one is T. T. E. T. T. So you have to stretch the sound of E and A together. B. B. E. A. E. D. Bead. Bead. Okay. So let's see the one more. L. L. E. A. D. Ead. Lead. Lead. Now next one is R. R. Eat. Read. 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 L. E. A. F. Leaf. Leaf. Let's see. B. B. Eek. Beak. B-E-A-K. Beak. P. P. E-A-K. Peak. P-E-A-K. Peak. Now, few more words. L. E-A-K. Leak. L-E-A-K. Leak. W. E-A-K. Weak. Weak. Here, weak. Okay. So let's see. H. H. E-A-T. Heat. Heat. H-E-A-T. Heat. N. N. E-A-T. Neat. Neat. Let's see. M. E-A-T. Meat. Meat. S. E-A-T. Seat. Seat. Meat and seat. Okay. Now next one is D. E-A-L. Deal. Deal. H. E-A-L. Heel. Heel. Okay. Now let's move forward. M. E-A-L. Meal. Meal. Now S. E-A-L. Seal. Seal. Meal. And the next one is seal. Seal. Now next one is B. E-A-M. B-E-A-M. Beam. Beam. T. E-A-M. Team. Team. B-E-A-M. Beam and T-E-A-M. Team. Now next one is L-E-A-P. Leap. Leap. H-E-A-P. Heap. Heap. Leap. Heap. So dear students, you all have learned the long sound words of vowel E. So long sound means you have to stretch the sound of E. And we have learned the words of E-A. So we have to stretch the sound like this. E. E. E and A. Together we can say E. Okay. So you all have to do oral practice at home and write down in your notebook. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.